Yeah, hi. So this is the second question. Um, let's discuss the question. What the questions ask is, the question is asking for missing for a missing element in the array. Okay, so given an array of size n minus one, we need to find if it if there is what element is missing in that array. And let's see the example. So the first example is 1 2 3 5. N is 5, and uh, n is 5, which means we need to find the numbers will be in the range from 1 to 5, and the size of the this array will be 4, and the number missing is 4 here. Okay, let's take next example, which is 2, which means size of the array will be 1, and elements will be from uh, 1 to 2. Okay, so in this particular array 2 is missing. um, so how to do it? So we can do it in a way wherein we have to sort the array. Okay, so this was my first approach, wherein I first we need to sort the array so that all the numbers will be arranged. Okay, let me give one example. One, suppose n is 7. Okay, n is 7, so the array elements will be from 1 to 7, but they are not in a sorted way. Okay, 5 6 2 3 4, 2 5 1 6 4 and okay. So when n is 7, the size of the array will be 6. Okay, um, should be 6, and the number which is missing here is we know is 3. Okay, so how to figure it out? So when I sort this, so the sorted array will look like 1 2 4 5 6 7, and what I will do is I will check if if a of if array of I means I will iterate from 0 to 1 is not equal to I plus 1. Okay, and I will just return I plus 1 in that case. Okay, so what is wrong with this approach? No, nothing is wrong with this approach, but the thing is you have to do sorting in this particular thing. If you want to implement this logic, wherein you have to first sort the array, and the time complexity will eventually increase, making it order of n log n, and we want to achieve this in order of n. So we have to drop this idea, unfortunately. And suppose if this was arranged, so if the array was sorted, then this logic will work perfectly fine in, and the time complexity would be order of n. um, but yeah, but there is a high chance, I mean there is a chance that the arrays are not sorted, and this logic will not work, and you have to first achieve the sorting, and the time complexity will increase. So the thing which the logic which I implemented here is the sum of elements from 1 to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, and then I'm adding all the elements of the array, and then I'm just taking the difference, and that is the number which is missing. I can show with one simple example: 1 2 3 4 5. So if you use this formula for sum equals to n into n plus 1 by 2, so 5 into 6 by 2, which is equal to 15. Okay, and what is and what 1 2 3 and 5, the sum here is 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 5 11. Okay, and the difference is 4, and 4 is missing from this particular array 1 2 3 5. So that is what I have used here, and in the similar fashion you can do. Yeah, thanks.